COVID-19 cases on the rise again, the statewide mask mandate is back for indoor public spaces.
It's part of an effort to help contain both the Delta and the new Omicron variants. Eyewitness News reporter Carlos Granda is live in Sherman Oaks with more on what we can do to protect ourselves over the holidays. Carlos?
Well, that's right. The mask mandate is back, although for many of us it never really went away. Los Angeles and Ventura counties have had a mandate. Orange, San Bernardino, and Riverside did not. Now this new rule requires people to wear masks indoors again in public places. There's an increase in COVID-19 cases since Thanksgiving, which is why state officials say the mask wearing will become mandatory in indoor public places, regardless of vaccination status.
It's okay with me. But I do think people should have a right to decide what they want and their own personal thing.
In Ventura County, we found people using masks, but they have different opinions about whether it should be mandated.
Sometimes when it's mandatory, it kind of takes away a little bit. We should be able to decide ourselves whether we want to wear them or not.
Officials hope to contain the Delta and Omicron variants as people gather with family and friends during the holidays. We spoke with presidential advisor Dr. Cameron Webb.
The president has been really clear. Masks are a really important part of this. And so while so many people are vaccinated, so many adults are vaccinated, there remain a lot of folks who aren't. We still have a lot of adolescents, kids 5 to 11, and even some adults who are not yet vaccinated.
The order comes as the per capita rate of new coronavirus cases in California has jumped 47% in the past 2 weeks.
And so the message remains clear. If you are unvaccinated, get vaccinated, and particularly in the arena of Omicron, if you are fully vaccinated, get your booster shot.
Now, California is exempting San Francisco from this indoor mask mandate. Apparently, San Francisco has a 90% vaccination rate. That's people who have received at least one dose of the vaccine. Now, the mask mandate is in effect for the rest of us until at least January 15th.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.